Welcome to all of you. Welcome. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Satish Yadav, and today we'll go and we'll try to see the types of relations. Okay. Basically, what we will go and we will try to understand into this the types of relations. So today's topic it is related to one is anti-symmetric and one is asymmetric. Okay. So here we will go and we'll try to understand the types of relation. One is anti-symmetric and one is asymmetric. See, in this today we will try to cover this anti-symmetric. We will end this anti-symmetric, and asymmetric also we will end it. Okay, so you will not be having any problem with respect to anti-symmetric, and you will having not any problem with respect to the asymmetric basically. Okay, so we'll go and we'll try to complete. See, yesterday I have recorded one video and there I taught you what is a relation, what is exactly the definition of a relation, and what is the other things that is related to that. Okay, so we'll go and we'll try to understand each and everything related to types of relations. As we know that it is basically the semester batch. So you might be amateur or you might be learning these things into 4th or 5th. Somewhere you might be learning about the discrete mathematics and you will have a lot of problems related to types of relations or how to calculate for a anti-symmetric relations or how to calculate for a asymmetric relations. So today I will clear all of your doubts. Sir, I'm into second semester, I'm into third semester. Should I go for a GATE preparation? Yes, you have to go for a GATE preparation. Sir, what is the advantage of having the GATE preparation? There are so many advantages of having the GATE preparation. One is PSU, research, you will be going the higher salary package, you will be going to foreign universities through the, the GATE examinations. Okay, so we'll go and we'll try to understand about each and everything that we'll go and we'll try to understand. Okay, so basically this is the types of relations. So how we can prepare about GATE from scratch. So in order to go for that, we have launched, Unacademy has launched, that is a plus subscription. So first I will be talking about a plus subscription. So here from scratch we will be teaching, the whole team will be teaching. So you will be having the live classes, you will be having the test series, you will be having the structure schedule. Okay, you will be having the structure schedule and you will be having the n number of questions that is related to each and every topic that you will be having. And there is one more Unacademy has launched just now, that is nothing but iconic subscription. So you can go and you can take the personal coach. You will be, faculty will be guiding you on each and every time. Faculty will be taking the track of you such that till now what you have completed. So I have given a problem in the morning, in the evening, have you completed it or not? And then you will be having the experts guidelines. This all beautiful things has been included into what? Into this iconic subscription. So taking the iconic subscription is basically learning in such a way such that faculty is sitting behind you, faculty is sitting near to you. Okay, that is basically what that is the iconic subscription. So what I have to do in order to take all these things, you just have to pick a goal, that is GATE and ESE, and you have to click on GATE subscription. And then if you really wants to prepare, see, if you are watching this video, that clearly defines that you people are having some dedication, but you need a little bit of push. So where you will be getting this push? So here this is the push. You can take this subscription and you can start your journey, the beautiful journey, in order to prepare for a GATE. Try to think that you will be going to IIT and then you will be learning from on a good platform. So how you can start your journey? So suppose if you're into a college, you can go and you can take a 12-month subscription, or you can go and you can take the 24-month subscription. So here I will be having this code. This code is called as the BABA20. And first of all, those people who have not followed me on Unacademy, please follow me on Unacademy. My name is Satish Yadav and you can follow me on Unacademy. As for your information, I have already started one batch from 8th of September. So it has not been delayed. Don't think कि सर मैं delayed हो गया तो क्या होगा, नहीं, अभी भी आपके पास वक्त है. अब क्या होगा ना, 4 मॉड्यूल है तो एक मॉड्यूल I will be completing on maybe 18th of September. One module graph theory I will be completing. So you can join me on 19th of September with another module. Okay, so you have to take this subscription. This subscription code is what? The subscription code is BABA20. Okay, this is related to all the things, and we are having the one Unacademy official Telegram channel. All of you can join this, and you can also refer to your friend. And if you have not followed me on Unacademy, you please follow me down Unacademy. My name is Satish Yadav. Okay, search on there, and then you can find it. So let's go and let's try to talk about the anti-symmetric relations. Okay, so this is the thing that we will be talking about today. I will clear all of your doubts. I will clear all of your doubts related to anti-symmetric relations. First of all, what is the anti-symmetric relations? The relations that you will be having the anti-symmetric such that for all of A and for all of B, okay, for all of A and for all of B, whenever A is related to B and B is related to A and B is related to A, then we can say that A will equals to what? A will equals to B. Then we can go and we can try to understand about the anti-symmetric relation. See what it is trying to say that, or another way of writing. So, or another way of writing, how you can write it? You can write in this form: for all of A and for all of B, such that whenever A comma B and that belongs to what? Whenever A comma B and that belongs to R, and at the same time when B comma A is also belongs to R, then it is trying to say that A is equals to B. Okay sir, I understood the mathematical logic representation, but can you go and can you try to give me some example that is related to that, how A comma B belongs to R and B comma A belongs to R? Let's consider, suppose if I will be having a one relation. Suppose if I will be having a relation such that if I will be writing 1 comma 2 and if I will be writing 2 comma 1, can I say that it is going to be anti-symmetric relation? Let's try to put into mathematical logic. Either you will put into the second statement or you will put into the first statement. So you have to submit either into the first statement or you have to submit either into the second statement. Let's go and let's try to understand, or we'll try to put into second statement. So take 1 comma 2 and substitute here. So here this is 1 comma 2 that clearly belongs to R. Definitely true. And a condition 2 comma 1 that is also definitely belongs to R. That is also true condition. But what it is trying to say that? It is trying to say that 1 is equals to 2. No, 1 is not equals to 2. Then what will happen? This one will become true. Why? Because it is already present into this particular relation. Can I say this is also going to be true? Yes, this is also present into R. ये देखो यहाँ पे है ना ये this is present over here. This is also present over here. But can we say that 1 is equals to 2? No, this statement will become a false. When this statement will become a false, then what will happen over here? The whole statement will become what? The whole statement will become a false. So the whole statement will become a false. When the whole statement will become a false, we can say that it is not anti-symmetric relation. It is not anti-symmetric relation. So this is not anti-symmetric relation. Please try to understand. This is not your anti-symmetric relation. This is not your anti-symmetric relation. Try to understand, it is not your anti-symmetric relations. So what it is trying to say that? Anti-symmetric is trying to say that it never allows the flipping. What is the meaning of flipping? 1 2 2 1. वो अक्षय कुमार वाला डायलॉग है ना ऐसे 1 2 2 1 this 2 1 like this. Okay, so it never allows the flipping 1 2 like this. So it never allows the flipping. So you can also understand this one in the form of this, in the form of English statement also. So this is the observation that we got actually. Okay, it does not allows what? It does not allows the flipping. Okay, it does not allows the flipping. Why? Because if it will allows the flipping, then what will happen? If it will allows the flipping, then it will force you to write down the same thing. ये आपको फोर्स करेगा कि वो सेम है, लेकिन वो सेम नहीं होगा ना जब वो फ्लिपिंग होगा तो. So it does not allows the flipping. It does not allows the flipping. Please try to understand. Either you can understand this thing into the form of what? Into the form of either mathematical representation. Okay, difference between anti-symmetric and symmetric. I will come to that point, Joy Chakravarti. Give me 1 minute. I will come to that particular point. Difference between anti-symmetric and symmetric. Symmetric allows the flipping, anti-symmetric never allows the flipping. That you can understand. Symmetric, it allows the flipping. That means when the 1 2 is there and 2 1 is also there, that is a that is a symmetric. So if anybody is asking, sir, can you explain you the symmetric? I can explain you the symmetric over here. Okay, symmetric I can allow like this, or I can write like this, such that for all of A and for all of B such that A is related to B, and then it implies B is related to A. So you can understand in this particular way. If you have not seen this thing, I can also write one more time, such that for all of A and for all of B, yes, symmetric allows the flipping. A is related to B, and then it implies what? It implies B is related to A. That is basically the symmetric relations. कल पढ़ लिया हम लोगों ने, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे क्या कहता है, इफ आई विल बी टॉकिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट, इफ आई विल बी टॉकिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द एंटी-सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन, सो इट डज नॉट अलाउज द फ्लिपिंग. सर व्हाट अबाउट द सेम एलिमेंट? What will happen if the same element will be there? Let's try to put into the logic. Let's go and let's try to put these things into the logic. So let's take that. Suppose if R3, okay, let's consider this as R3. Let's consider this as R2. Okay, so R3, suppose what will happen if it will be having a same element? Let's consider, suppose if I'll be having the same element. Let's go and let's try to put into this mathematical form. So 1 comma 1, that belongs to R. Yes, true. 1 comma 1, that also belongs to R. True. Can I say that 1 is equals to 1? Yes, definitely we can say that 1 is equals to 1. So say anti-symmetric, it does not allows the flipping, but it allows the same element. You can consider like that. You can understand something in the form of this. Okay, so anti-symmetric, it does not allows the flipping. Okay, it does not allows the flipping. Okay, it does not allows the flipping. Yes, flipping होगा, symmetric में होगा flipping. It does not allows the flipping, while here, okay, it does not allows the flipping. Okay, it does not allows the flipping. Yes, this one will be symmetric, this one is anti-symmetric. It allows the same element. Anti-symmetric, it allows the same element. Okay, it allows the same element. You can consider something like that. It allows the same elements. Okay, it allows what? It allows the same element. Okay, so you can go and you can try to understand this. Suppose what will happen if I will be taking any particular example. Suppose if I will be having any particular example. Suppose if I will be taking something like this. Suppose if I will take R4 and if I will write 1 comma 1, sir बोलो मत, प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है सेम एलिमेंट का. सेम एलिमेंट आएगा ही आएगा. अच्छा, मैंने 1 comma 2 लिख दिया तो सर फ्लिपिंग के लिए मना करेगा. सो इट नेवर अलाउज द फ्लिपिंग. ओके, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द फ्लिपिंग ऑफ दैट. Now what will happen if I will write 2 comma 3? Can I say that it is an anti-symmetric relation? Yes, it is an anti-symmetric relation. You know why? Because for same element it allows. For 1 comma 1 it allows. For 1 comma 2 it also allows, until and unless there is a flipping. Sir, what will happen if there is no flipping? Can you explain with the help of a mathematical logic? Yes, definitely I can explain you. So what is the mathematical logic? A comma B, and that is related to R, and B comma A, that is also related to R. So can we say that A equals to B? Try to put 1 comma 2 over here. Suppose if you are putting 1 comma 2 over here, so it will become what? It will become true. The first one will become a true. But nothing is starting from 2. So 2 का flipping का कुछ है ही नहीं है. So what will happen? This statement will become a false. So false will see the AND condition. So the whole left side will become what? The whole left side will become a true. Sorry. False will see the AND condition. So the left side will become what? Left side will become a false. And false implies anything, as we know that. False implies anything, the whole statement will become what? The whole statement will become a true. So for 1 comma 2 we can say that it is going to be true. For same element it is also going to be true. And for 2 3 again the same thing is happening. First one will become a true, second one will become a false. False will see the AND condition, left side will become a false. False implies anything, the whole statement will become a true. So respond also if you are getting this. And for those people who have not followed me on Unacademy, please try to follow me on Unacademy. Those people who have not followed me on Unacademy, try to follow me. And one more thing, if you have anti allows flipping, but A equals to B can or cannot be true. Anti allow, see, hey, listen, hello, Swinjoy. Anti allows फ्लिपिंग फॉर अ सेम एलिमेंट, बाकी का फ्लिपिंग नहीं अलाउ करता है. So what you are writing ki can or cannot be true, nahi, aisa nahi hoga. See the logic, what it is trying to say that A equals to B. It never allows the flipping. When it will allows the flipping, then what will happen? The element is not going to be the same. Elements are not going to be the same. Ha! For same element, it will allows the flipping. For same element, it will allows the flipping. Okay, so I understood what is your doubt. Let's, in order to clear your doubt, let me try to take the infinite cases. So suppose if I will be having the R3 such that infinite case, if I will be taking A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B. Suppose if I want to go and if I want to find out for an anti-symmetric relation, and what is the relations that is related to that, A is related to B and B is related to A, then what it is saying that, it is saying that A equals to B. Okay, so first of all, what type of element it will be passing? It will be passing element 2 comma 3. Can I say that it will be flipping would be allowed? No, 3 comma 2 will not be passed. Can I say that 2 comma 4 will be passed? So actually this is basically Z into Z. This is basically Z into Z, and then you are passing what? You are passing some element over here, right? So you are passing some element such that A is less than or equal to B. So what it will allows? It will allows 2 comma 4, but 4 comma 2 will be here. Okay, let's consider this element is basically 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 pass nahi hoga, and then it will allows what? It will also allow 2 comma 3, but यहाँ पे ही आपका 3 comma 2 रह जाएगा, क्योंकि ये फिल्टर जो लगा है यहाँ पे A is less than or equal to B का, वो 3 comma 2 को अलाउ नहीं करेगा. अच्छा, सेम एलिमेंट पास हो जाएगा क्या? यस, सेम एलिमेंट विल बी पासिंग. सो आपका यही डाउट है एंटी श्रीनिजॉय कि सेम एलिमेंट में ही फ्लिपिंग अलाउस करेगा. Sir, what will happen 2 comma 3? Let's see the mathematical logic. Mathematical logic is saying that A is related to B and B is related to A. Then what it is trying to say that? It is trying to say that A is equals to B. Now, what will happen if I will be trying to change the value over here? So, instead of a relation, I will put less than or equal to. Instead of a relation, I will put less than or equal to. Now, what will happen? A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to A. Can I say that it will become what? Can I say that A is equals to B? Yes, definitely we can say that A is equals to B. So what you will be getting? You will be getting some elements like this, such that it allows what? It allows 2 comma 3, such that it allows 1 comma 2, but flipping allow नहीं करेगा मेरे दोस्त. 2 comma 4. Okay, it will allow same element also. It will allow same element also. 1 1 2 2 and then 3 3. So आप जो बोल रहे हो ना श्रीनजॉय कि ये सेम एलिमेंट के लिए अलाउ करेगा, 1 1 के लिए अलाउ करेगा, इट विल अलाउस 1 1, इट विल अलाउस 2 2, इट विल अलाउस 3 3 बेसिकली, बट फ्लिपिंग कभी नहीं अलाउ करेगा, क्योंकि व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द फ्लिपिंग ना तो वो फोर्स करेगा कि सेम एलिमेंट हो, लेकिन अगर वो फ्लिप हो गया तो वो सेम एलिमेंट नहीं हो सकता मेरे दोस्त. सेम एलिमेंट कब होगा? जब वो सेम एलिमेंट 1 1 आएगा, जब 2 2 आएगा, जब 3 3 आएगा. So this statement, what it is trying to say that, see, this is according to mathematics. According to mathematics, if you will have something like that, such that A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to A, ये तो definition ही हो गया ना कि A equals to B basically. Okay, ये तो definition ही हो गया ना, A equals to B basically. So anti-symmetric, you try to understand anti-symmetric, it never allows the flipping, but it allows the same number of element. That is related to what? That is related to anti-symmetric relation. So that is the one thing that you have to understand basically related to that. So where A is related to B and B is related. Yes, Strinjoy. Yes, you are right. Now you got it. So basically anti-symmetric relations, A is related to B and B is related to A, then it implies what? It implies A equals to B. Okay, so sir, I have understood about the anti-symmetric relations. Okay, I have understood everything about anti-symmetric relations. Now, can you explain me how many total number of anti-symmetric relations are possible? Yes, I can explain you how many number of anti-symmetric relations are possible. See, first of all, क्वेश्चन मेरा समझ में आया कि कितने तरीके के एंटी-सिमेट्रिक रिलेशंस होंगे आपके पास. Okay, so how many number of anti-symmetric relations are going to be possible? So let's go and let's try to understand about how many number of anti-symmetric relations are possible over here. So in order to go for anti-symmetric relations, let's take one example. Suppose if I will be having a one set. Suppose if I will be having a one set, and that set consisting of 1, 2 and then 3 number of element. So if I will be doing a cross product A cross A, then what will happen? I will be getting some elements. Okay, I will be getting some elements, something like that. I'll be getting some elements. So what are the elements that I will be getting? I will be getting such that 1 comma 1. I will be getting 1 comma 2. I will be getting 1 comma 3. I'll be getting 2 comma 2. I'll be getting 2 comma 3. I'll be getting 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Here I will be getting. Okay, so here I will be getting, which is nothing but 2 comma 1. Here I will be getting 2 comma 2. This one is 2 comma 3. Okay, and then this one is 3 comma 1. This is basically 3 comma 2. This is basically 3 comma 3. Now see what will happen if I will go and if I will try to write down the relation. See, for example, same element may be present, may not be present, may be present, okay, may be present, may not be present. इससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. May not be present, may not be present, may not be present, okay, may not be present. So same element may be present, may not be a present. So how many possibility this this diagonal elements you will be having? So how many possibility these diagonal elements will be having? You will have a two possibilities. So basically मेरे पास ना दो choices है. I'm having how many choices? I'm having two choices. They can be present, they cannot be present. For example, here one is present. But if I will be taking just R2 as 1 comma 2, so can I say that this is also anti-symmetric relation? Yes, in R2 1 is absent, in R1 1 is present. So 1 is having two possibilities. What about 1 2 1 3 and 2 3? See 1 2 and 2 1 ये एक बॉक्सेस में आएंगे. क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. अगर 1 2 आया तो 2 1 को मना कर देगा, आप मत आओ. अगर 2 1 आया तो वो 1 2 को मना कर देगा, आप मत आओ. या तो दोनों के दोनों नहीं आ सकते, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि दोनों के दोनों नहीं आ सकते. अब जैसे ये पॉसिबिलिटी ले लो, यहाँ पे 1 2 आ गया तो ये क्या हो गया? एंटीसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि फ्लिपिंग अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है. अब R3 में ये देखो कि यू विल बी हैविंग ए 2 comma 1. ये 1 2 आया, यहाँ पे 2 comma 1 आया. अब मैं R4 में अगर सपोज मैं 2 comma 3 ले रहा हूं तो यहाँ पे ये देखो, दिस इज 1 2 is present, okay, and 2 1 is present, and over here both are absent. So basically ये these all are coming into boxes. Okay, these all are coming into boxes. ठीक है, ये देखो 1 comma 2 और 2 comma 1. तो ये बॉक्स के पास हाउ मेनी पॉसिबिलिटी इज हैविंग? बॉक्स के बाद तीन पॉसिबिलिटी है मेरे दोस्त कि 1 2 आपका प्रेजेंट हो सकता है, एक पॉसिबिलिटी, या तो 2 1 आपका प्रेजेंट होगा, दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी, या तो पूरा का पूरा बॉक्स एब्सेंट हो जाएगा, वो तीसरी पॉसिबिलिटी है. तो ऐसे कितने बॉक्सेस है मेरे पास? बॉक्सेस पता करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स पता कर लो कि हाउ मेनी टोटल एलिमेंट्स आई एम हैविंग. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स दैट आई एम हैविंग इज बेसिकली n स्क्वायर ना. मतलब अगर मैं कार्डिनलिटी a की अगर n ले लेता हूं तो a इंटू ए क्या आ जाए? कार्डिनलिटी मतलब होता है कि उस सेट में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं. तो टोटल एलिमेंट्स n स्क्वायर हो गए. अच्छा, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स कितने हो गए? डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स n हो गए, है कि नहीं? डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स कितने हो गए? n हो गए. नॉन डायगोनल कितने हुए मेरे भाई साहब? नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आपके पास हो जाएंगे n स्क्वायर माइनस n. तो ये बॉक्सेस कितना आएगा मेरे को? ठीक है, बॉक्सेस जो होंगे वो मेरे को आएगा दैट आई विल बी गेटिंग अ बॉक्सेस. द बॉक्सेस आई विल बी गेटिंग इज n स्क्वायर माइनस n डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो इसके पास कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है? दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है. सो हाउ मेनी एंटीसिमेट्रिक रिलेशंस आई विल बी गेटिंग? सो नंबर ऑफ anti-symmetric relations that I will be getting is basically 2 raised to n, तो डायगोनल वाला था, फिर 3 raised to n square minus n and then divided by 2. Got it or not? Let me know that. Let me know that, or if you have any particular doubt, please feel free to ask, immediately respond. Please let me know that whether we have understood or not related to the anti-symmetric relations. This is basically the total number of anti-symmetric relations. Okay, you want me to repeat? I can also repeat, no problem. सुनना, डायगोनल के पास दो पॉसिबिलिटी है, तो कितना आ जाएगा, डायगोनल कितने एलिमेंट्स है, हाउ मेनी डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आई एम हैविंग, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आई एम हैविंग इज बेसिकली n, हाउ मेनी नॉन डायगोनल आई विल बी गेटिंग, नॉन डायगोनल में क्या हो जाएगा, n स्क्वायर टोटल है, उसमें से n चले गया तो क्या हो गया, नॉन डायगोनल आ गया। अब ये देखो, ये 1 2 और 2 1 एक के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, ये देखो, फिर ये 1 3 और 3 1 का एक बॉक्स आ गया, फिर 2 3 और 3 2 का एक बॉक्स आ गया, तो टोटल तो 9 था, 9 में से डायगोनल चले गए 3, बचा कितना 6, अब 6 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 3 ही बॉक्सेस आएंगे ना, है कि नहीं, 6 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 3 ही बॉक्सेस आएंगे, यू विल बी गेटिंग ओनली 3 बॉक्सेस, one box is related to what, one box is related to 1 comma 2 and then 2 comma 1, but each box is having how many possibility, 3 possibility, either 1 comma 2 is present or 2 comma 1 is present, okay, or the whole box is, okay, the whole box is what, the whole box is absent, okay, the whole box is absent. So basically 1 comma 2 present हो गया, 2 comma 1 present हो गया, absent हो गया, so this box is having how many possibility, this box is having, so what are, पहले तो पता कर लो कितने boxes आएंगे आपके पास boxes आएंगे n square minus n divided by 2, how many possibilities it is having, it is having the possibilities 3 raised to n square minus n, तो ये वाला diagonal का था, this is representing for a diagonal, this is representing for a boxes, okay, this is for diagonal elements, understood or not? So in this way you have to go and you have to try to find out with respect to that. This is basically called as what, the anti-symmetric relations. अच्छा, ऐसे बहुत सारे क्लासेस सुनने के लिए आप मुझे अनअकैडमी पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं, मेरा नाम सतीश यादव है, यू सर्च आउट देयर एंड यू विल ट्राई टू फॉलो मी देयर, सो दैट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ लेक्चर्स, वॉट एवर द डाउट्स दैट the tough thing that you people are understand, that is present over there, okay, वो वहां पे ऑलरेडी मैंने रिकॉर्ड करके रखा है, कहां पे, अनअकैडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पे, मेरे प्रोफाइल के अंदर, फ्री है पूरा। आपको लगता है कि आपको और कुछ पढ़ना है, यू ड्रॉप मी अ मैसेज ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म, आई विल टीच यू दैट, और यू कैन ड्रॉप हियर आल्सो। सबसे पहले तो फॉलो कर लो आप लोग, ट्राई टू फॉलो मी देयर। Now the next one is called as a asymmetric relation. So let's go and let's talk about what is a asymmetric relation. You will enter college, so Shinjoy, if you want to prepare the gate, you can also prepare it, no problem. Let's go, let's talk. I am prepared for it. Yes, if you are preparing, if you are dedicated, if there is a dedication, then don't don't waste that spark. बहुत कम लोगों को आता है वो स्पार्क, ठीक है, वो स्पार्क रहने देना मेरे दोस्त, शुरू किया तो शुरू कर लो। मैंने ऑलरेडी 8 ऑफ सितंबर से एक बैच स्टार्ट कर ली है, सो इफ यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन ज्वाइन मी ऑन दिस 8:45 मॉर्निंग AM, हर एक दिन 2 घंटा। सर मेरे को तो ये भी नहीं पता आप कैसा पढ़ाते हो, बेटा एक बार वीडियोस देख लो, मेरे अनअकैडमी के वीडियो देख लो, यहाँ के वीडियोस देख लो। अच्छा चलो असिमेट्रिक के बारे में बात करते हैं। असिमेट्रिक क्या कहता है, फॉर ऑल ऑफ ए, फॉर ऑल ऑफ बी, व्हेनेवर ए इज रिलेटेड टू बी, इट इंप्लाइज कि बी शुड नॉट बी रिलेटेड टू ए। मतलब सर असिमेट्रिक विल नेवर अलाउज द फ्लिपिंग, asymmetric will never allows the flipping and it does not allows the same element. It does not allows flipping and same elements. That is the the difference between what? Difference between the asymmetric relation and your anti-symmetric relation. So in anti-symmetric relation, what is there? In anti-symmetric relations, in your anti-symmetric relation, it never allows the flipping. Yes, ये flipping allow नहीं करता बेटा। asymmetric also does not allows the flipping. It does not allows the flipping. it allows the same element. It allows the same. Okay, this allows the same element. Asymmetric allows the same element, but here and asymmetric, anti-symmetric allows the same element, but here it does not allow the same element. That is a clear difference between what? That is a clear difference between the anti-symmetric and asymmetric relations. Sir, can you give us examples so that we can understand about the anti-symmetric and asymmetric relations? Yes, definitely I will give you example. Suppose if I will be having the R1. Suppose if I will be having the R1 and if I will be writing 1 comma 2. Okay, and if I will be writing what? If I will be writing 1 comma 2, and then what will happen if I will be writing 2 comma 1? Now if you will try to use the logic is saying that a comma b belongs to R. Either you will write in this form or in this form, it doesn't matter. And what will happen? B comma a should not belongs to R, should not belongs to R. Now here see this. Okay, here 1 comma 2 that belongs to R. Now it is saying that 2 comma 1 नहीं आया, लेकिन आया ना 2 कॉमा, ये मांगता है कि नहीं चाहिए, ये मांगता है कि नहीं चाहिए, 2 कॉमा 1 नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, फ्लिपिंग नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आ गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल नॉट बी एन असिमेट्रिक रिलेशन. सो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी ए नॉट असिमेट्रिक रिलेशंस. Not asymmetric relation, that you have to understand. Basically not asymmetric relations, so that you have to understand. Not asymmetric relations, that you have to go and you have to understand related to that. That is related to what? That is related to asymmetric relation. Sir, what will happen if there is a flipping? If there is no flipping, no problem, it will become asymmetric relation. Sir, R3, what will happen if there is the same element? 1 comma 1, no, 1 comma 1 will not be asymmetric relations. 1 comma 1 will not be asymmetric relations. Say asymmetric will never allows the flipping, it never allows the same element, that you have to consider that. Asymmetric, it never allows the same element, it never allows the flipping, that you have to understand with respect to asymmetric relations. Now let's try to understand with respect to infinite. Suppose if I want to understand with respect to the infinite, let's consider the R1 and such that if I will be having a comma b, such that a is less than or equal to b. See, can I say that a is less than or equal to b? It does not allows the flipping na? It does not allows the flipping. Yes, ये जो ऊपर लिखा है वो flipping नहीं allow करेगा. But same element allow कर देगा ना? It allows same element. तो asymmetry को तो गुस्सा आ जाएगा. It allows same elements. जो असिमेट्रिक नहीं चाहता है, असिमेट्रिक को तो गुस्सा आ गया ना यहाँ पे. ठीक है, so hence it will not become asymmetric relation. It is not asymmetric relation. It is not asymmetric relation. Okay, this is basically what? This is not asymmetric relations. Try to understand that. Try to understand. Sir, can you give us one example where it will not become a asymmetric relation? A comma b such that a is less than of b. Can you say that this? See, ये तो flipping भी allow नहीं करेगा, same element भी नहीं allow करेगा. जब it does not allows the flipping, okay, it does not allows the flipping. It does not allows the flipping, okay, and it also does not allows the same element. It does not allows same elements. So we can say that it will become the asymmetric relations. Okay, this one will become asymmetric. This is not asymmetric. This is the difference between what? This is the difference between the asymmetric and anti-symmetric. अच्छा, अब हम लोग total number of elements पता कर सकते हैं क्या यहाँ पे? Let's take this example. Let me write that. How many elements you will be getting? 1 comma 1. You will be getting 1 comma 2. You will be getting 1 comma 3. Here you will get 2 comma 1. Here you will get 2 comma 2. Here you will get 2 comma 3. This one you will get 3 comma 1. This one you will get 3 comma 2. This one you will get 3 comma 3. See, asymmetric क्या होगा मालूम है? ये जो डायगोनल है ना, उसके पास उसको एक ही चॉइस देगा. कौन सा चॉइस देगा? एब्सेंट होने का, कि भैया तू आना ही नहीं वहां पे. It will give only one choice. एंड व्हाट इज दैट वन चॉइस कि भैया आप ना एब्सेंट रहना, डोंट ट्राई टू प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, एब्सेंट हो जाएगा। कौन एब्सेंट हो जाएगा, डायगोनल। अच्छा बॉक्सेस के बारे में अगर बात करेंगे, सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉक्सेस, so how many boxes you will be having? So the boxes you will be having is basically that you will be getting n square minus n divided by 2. Boxes n square minus n. So how many possibility it will have? So now you can write the number of asymmetric relations will be what? Number of asymmetric relations that you will be getting is basically the 3 raised to n square minus n divided by 2. Can you understand why I have written 3 raised to? You know why I have written 3 raised to? Because each box is having a 3 possibilities. Try to understand that. Each box is having a 2 possibility because it does not allow the flipping now. Yes or no? It does not allow the flipping. So if it will have 1 comma 2, if it will have a 2 comma 1, then either this is going to be present or this is going to be present or the whole box is going to be absent. So I'll write here. Okay, the whole box is going to be absent. So that's why it is having a 3 possibility. So in this way, you can go and you can try to understand with respect to what? With respect to the anti-symmetric relations. Okay, in this manner you can go and you can try to understand. So for an anti-symmetric या asymmetric, 2 raised to n, 3 raised to n square minus n by 2, while asymmetric 3 raised to n square minus n divided by 2. This is the difference between the anti-symmetric and the asymmetric relations. समझ में आ गया ये? इस तरीके से पढ़ा जाता है, इस तरीके से गेट आएगा। सो ये तो मैंने आप लोगों को एक छोटी सी बात बताई दो रिलेशंस लेके। इवन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग इनटू योर एग्जामिनेशन, आपके कॉलेज के एग्जामिनेशन में भी होगा। एंड इफ फ्यू पीपल आर रियली डेडिकेटेड फॉर अ गेट, गिव अस चांस। ठीक है, इफ यू पीपल आर रियली डेडिकेटेड फॉर दैट, गिव अस चांस। See, you can use this code in order to get the subscription on Unacademy. And my code is what? My code is BABA20. Try to remember it. BABA20. And you can start your preparation. Even if you are into college, no problem. Try to, take a subscription and पढ़ो. अरे भाई साहब, तुम्हारी कॉलेज का सिलेबस तो कंप्लीट हो रहा है सर, आप तो एक दो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाओगे, बाकी का पूरा टीम में, टेंशन मत लो। सॉरी बाकी का the whole team is there, the whole team will teach you. ठीक है, तो आज तो मैंने सिर्फ आप लोगों को इतना ही पढ़ाया, दो ही रिलेशंस पढ़ाया। इफ यू हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर डाउट, you can drop me a message here, I can see it. Okay, you can drop me a message and I can see it. So if you have any problem, feel free to contact me on there, Unacademy के मैसेज वाले ड्रॉप बॉक्स पे। ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो फॉलो कर लो यार। ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं कभी किसी और दिन। विल सम अनदर, कल ही मिलते हैं। टुमारो आई विल टीच यू सम अदर कॉन्सेप्ट, सो ट्राई टू बी प्रेजेंट। बाकी का भी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं एक ही सब्सक्रिप्शन। आप अगर क्या होता है ना, ये देखो सिंजॉय, अगर जैसा मैंने आपको ये बताया ना, ये वाला सब्सक्रिप्शन, सो सी इफ यू आर गोइंग विद दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन, ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होगा कि अगर आप जो है वो इसमें से कोई भी एक पार्ट लेते हो, ठीक है, इसमें से अगर कोई भी एक पार्ट लेते हो, तो आप ना अनअकैडमी पे जितने रिकॉर्डेड सेशन है किसी भी फैकल्टी को देख सकते हो। सो सपोज इफ यू आर गोइंग विद 12 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन, तो 12 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन में यू कैन वॉच एनी फैकल्टी वीडियोस इन दैट 12 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन में। आप 12 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन में किसी भी फैकल्टीज के वीडियोस आप देख सकते हो। तो हमारी टीम, आवर टीम इज बेसिकली देयर इन ऑर्डर टू असिस्ट यू। आई विल बी टेकिंग 2 सब्जेक्ट्स, द अदर पर्सन, हाँ तो सीएसई पढ़ा रहा हूं, दिस इज सीएसई। अरे सीएसई, डिस्क्रीट मैथ्स इन सीएसई, discrete maths, it is in CSE. You can use this code even if you're mechanical, no problem. You can use this code. The whole team. I will be teaching discrete maths and I will be teaching DBMS. Don't worry about it. Okay, so try to remember this code. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but BABA 20. ठीक है? ESE भी है तो भी ले सकते हैं सब्सक्रिप्शन, नो प्रॉब्लम इनटू दैट. आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं कल किसी और टॉपिक पे with some another topic. And if you want to learn about any particular topic, you drop me a message. I will teach you that topic also. ठीक है? तब तक के लिए bye bye. See you tomorrow. You can आप अपने दोस्तों को भी बुला के लाइए कि देखिए यहाँ पे है, इवेल्युएट करिए यार वीडियोस को. ठीक है? Thank you for today.